What's going on YouTube? So it's been a week since I based and flaked the car. So right now it's pretty much dry. It looks pretty good. So I'm water sanding it right now with 800. So I'm trying to get all these little nibs out. It's probably from the flake. So I gotta flatten out the paint. A little bit of orange peel. You can see the orange peel right here. That's orange peel, and then these little nibs is either garbage or it's from the flake. So it's coming out pretty good. Water sanding with 800. So I got to do the whole car. Little nibs here and there, so I'm going to take them all out. Make sure the base is flat. I'm actually thinking about maybe adding a little bit more candy. I mean, flake. It looks good, but think a little bit more will probably look better. This is our orange peel right here. Trunk. I'm kind of hopping around because it gets boring water sanding, especially when you're doing it by yourself. But I gotta take all the nibs out, all the imperfections right here. I gotta make sure that the paint's all nice and flat, so when I shoot the candy, it'll come out smooth. Orange peel on the back right here. So I gotta water sand all the pieces. This is the splash pan to the Continental kit. The Continental kit. This is the face cover, and then this here is the ring. It's not an original 1953 ring. This came off like a 30s Ford, but I like the shape of it. I like the way it has this little ribbon here, this groove. So I'm gonna go with it. I'm not building an original car, so it's gonna be more of a custom car. So right now I have two different silver flakes. I have the dust flake, and then I have like a small flake. And then I'm considering adding some more flake, which is this candy apple red right here. So this is candy apple red. The candy that's going on the car is a candy apple red, so I might add a little bit of this. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking about adding a little bit. So my only concern about adding the candy apple flake. I mean, it looks nice. The car's gonna be candy apple red, so I mean, I think with this and the silver that it has on it, it'll look nice. But my only problem is that when I did the engine department and dashboard, it's only gonna have the silver flake, so it might look different. Right now, the dashboard has all the overspray, so I gotta clean all that up too, buff it all out. But that's just my only worry, because I only use the silver flake on the dashboard in the engine department. But I might change the whole car up. We'll see. So I got some plaques for this car as well. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. This is the new plaque. This one here is all gold plated with engraving. This one's nice. And then the second plaque is actually two-tone. So I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. I'm going to wait until the car's painted. I'll probably put both of them under, see which one looks better. This one's a two-tone one. which is this one's chrome and gold. They're both nice. And they'll probably both look good, but I don't know which one yet. Gold or two-tone. Maybe you guys should comment. What do you guys think? Should I roll the two-tone or should I roll the gold one? So hopefully in another week or two, I'll be in a spray booth spraying some candy on this car.